After Llama 4 landed in icy remarks, Meta's kicking off its new Muse era with Spark, a lightweight model geared toward consumer use, and it's just focusing on the basics. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Speaking of basics, many of Spark's capabilities are bare minimum for a new model in 2026. For instance, it offers both instant and thinking modes, but other AI systems already have had this kind of flexibility. The first AI offering a hybrid reasoning model was Anthropic's Claude Sonnet 3.7 last year. So to rival, Meta plans to add another more powerful contemplating mode down the road. Muse Spark can even coordinate with multiple AI subagents to tackle a request. Users will be able to see this capability when they ask for help with tasks like family trip planning. In that scenario, one agent might compile an itinerary while another finds kid-friendly activities everyone can enjoy. At the same time, Meta has built Spark to be natively multimodal. In easy words, the model can process images, videos, and audio. Like Google Lens, this gives you the option to snap a photo with your phone and ask Meta AI questions about what you see. And of course, it wouldn't be a 2026 AI if Muse Spark didn't include a built-in shopping assistant like ChatGPT. Spark can also compare different items and list the pros and cons of each with links, so you can buy the products with ease. Muse Spark has already rolled out in the Meta AI app and Meta.ai website, with new features soon launching in the US. In the coming weeks, the company will bring Muse Spark to more countries and places where people can access Meta AI, including Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.